Hi, everybody. This is Kelly. I am trying to upload some videos that show my technique for dot mandala art. This is one of the coasters that I got off of Amazon. It's a ceramic coaster. We airbrushed it with Rick's airbrushing machine with the black, so that the black is solidly on the coaster. There's no streak marks or paintbrush marks. And then now I'm hand painting with acrylic paint the dot mandala pattern. So this is using a burnt umber and a metallic copper color combination. As you can see, I'm using swooshes coming out from the center, and then I will do a walk the dots here in a minute. But hopefully you enjoy this video, and I will get better at making the videos and making the audio to go with it. So thank you for your